Let's say that we wanted to compare the batting averages of left-handed and right-handed hitters in Major League Baseball. So we're curious in answering the question, is there any difference between the batting averages of lefties and righties? We could just look at the data and try to answer this question without a significance test, but then we couldn't really trust our answer very much. It's a much better idea to answer this question using a statistical test. Many statistical tests that you might use to analyze data make an assumption about the probability distribution that your data will follow. There are many different probability distributions out there, but one of the most common, and the one that I want to discuss, is the normal distribution, which is also sometimes referred to as the Gaussian distribution or a bell curve. If you've taken an Introduction to Statistics course, the normal distribution should be familiar. Which of the images below depicts the normal distribution? Check the box below the correct one.